My name is Rahil and it's my first video, and I made this channel to upload some video of landscaping that I have made by a 3D architect software, and will upload some video regarding how to grow seeds in trays and pots, seedling of some vegetables and some ornamental flowers. So it's a small. The main theme is basically you don't need a specific place for a kitchen gardening. It's lawn, and I made this small kitchen garden in my lawn, in corner, and it's look pretty good. I can show you. Okay, I grow seedlings over there, and a few are there. So I transplanted these seedlings over here. Let me show you. It's a tomato, and it's a very healthy plant, and some lettuce, coriander, and garlic. uh, it's a small experiment based. I divided for my some experiments, some seeds brought from USA, and I'm transplanting over here. It's a cherry tomato, and some iliums are over there, and it's a teeny greenhouse. It's nice for reduce or avoid frost. I placed this signboard for avoid human interactions. So we'll upload some videos, and check it out, and see ya.